हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम भारती। आज हम सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ एनसीईआरटी क्लास 11 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं एंड द सब टॉपिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, नेचर ऑफ मैटर, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मैटर एंड देयर मेजरमेंट, अनसर्टेनिटी इन मेजरमेंट, लॉ ऑफ केमिकल कॉम्बिनेशन, Dalton's atomic theory and atomic molecular masses and mole concept and molar masses. Next is percentage composition and last is stoichiometry and stoichiometric calculations. So now our first question is identify the wrong statement in the following. So first option is CFCs are responsible for the ozone layer depletion. Yeah, this statement is true. CFCs are responsible for ozone layer depletion, as we all know that. And second question is greenhouse effect. Second part is greenhouse effect is responsible for global warming. That is also true. Third is ozone layer does not permit infrared radiation from the sun to reach the earth. There is a mistake. Infrared. This is written here as infrared radiation. Actually what it is, ultraviolet radiation should be there. Ozone layer does not permit ultraviolet radiation from the sun to reach the earth. So this is the wrong statement in this question. And last one is acid rain is mostly because of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. That is also true. So our answer is C. So now come to next question. Which has the maximum number of atoms? First part is 24 gram of carbon, second is 56 gram of iron, C is 27 gram of aluminium and D is 108 gram of silver. So number of atoms, as हम जानते हैं number of atoms equals to number of moles into Na. So first we find moles and then find number of atoms so that we can find maximum number of atoms. So सबसे पहले हम moles निकालेंगे, तो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन निकालते हैं, साथ में मोल्स निकाल देंगे इसके. नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन इज इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इज गिवन वेट अपॉन मॉलिकुलर वेट. सो गिवन वेट इज 24 ग्राम एंड मॉलिकुलर वेट इज 12. या into Na is our number of atoms, which comes out to be 2 times of Na. Similarly for all, this is for A and second one is B is 56 gram of iron. So number of atoms of iron is equals to 56, we have given weight, and 56 is molecular mass into Na. So this comes out to be 1 times of Na. So 1 मान सकते हम. C part is 27 gram of aluminium. Number of atoms of aluminium is equals to 27 divided by 27. 27 we have given weight and 27 is our molecular weight. So into Na. This also comes out to be Na. And D part, silver, 108 gram of silver. Number of atoms of silver, Ag, is equals to 108, we have given weight and 108 is molecular mass, and into Na is number of atoms, which is equals to Na. So our correct answer comes out to be 2Na, Na. So maximum number of atoms is containing in 24 gram of carbon. So correct option is A. So answer is A part. Okay. हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ पेयर ऑफ फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सब्सटेंस. सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज एसिडिटी एंड combustibility, Acidity and combustibility both are chemical properties. Second is color and density. So color and density both are physical properties. C option is basicity and color. Basicity is chemical property and color is physical property, but we have asked physical and then chemical property, so this option is also wrong. So last option is density and acidity. Density is a physical property and acidity is a chemical property. How we know that this is physical property and this is chemical property? So definition of physical and chemical properties are physical that involves change in state of component. किसी भी component का अगर state change हो रहा है that means physical. मतलब कि solid से liquid में आ रहा है या liquid से गैशियस में आ रहा है, दैट इज़ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी. बट अगर केमिकल कंपोजिशन उसका चेंज हो रहा है तो वो जैसे केमिकली कंपोजिशन, जैसे कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड है और ऑक्सीजन अलग निकल जाए, कैल्शियम अलग हो जाए, दैट इज़ केमिकल कंपोजिशन डिफरेंट हो गया, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. सो इन सब में से डेंसिटी इज़ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी एंड एसिडिटी इज़ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. सो आंसर इज डी. Next question is, in an organic compound of molar mass 108 gram per mole, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen atoms are present in 9:1:3.5 by weight. So molecular formula can be, so हमें molecular formula निकालना है और ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का हमें मास गिवन है 108 ग्राम पर मोल, तो जिसमें कार्बन का रेशियो में 9 दिया है, हाइड्रोजन का दिया 1 एंड नाइट्रोजन का में 3.5 दिया है. तो हम उसको निकालने के लिए मास ऑफ कार्बन निकालेंगे 9 डिवाइड बाई 13.5 इंटू 108. ये हमने कैसे लिखा, 9 हमें दिया हुआ है कार्बन का रेशियो बाय वेट डिवाइड बाई 13.5 टोटल ऑफ एडिंग 9 प्लस 1 प्लस 3.5 इंटू 108 इज द टोटल मास ऑफ द गिवन कंपाउंड. सो दिस विल गिव 72 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन. सो नंबर ऑफ एटम्स वी कैन फाइंड of carbon is equals to 72 divided by molar mass of carbon, that is equals to 6, and then mass of directly we can find number of atoms of hydrogen. Similarly, which is equals to 1 divided by 13.5. 1 is ratio of hydrogen in the whole compound and into 108 is total mass of that compound divide by 1 जो उसका molecular weight है, which gives us 8. so ये number of atoms of hydrogen हो गए. उसके बाद number of atoms of nitrogen हो गए, which is equals to 3.5 जो हमें रेशियो गिवन है डिवाइड बाई 13.5 इंटू 108 डिवाइड बाय molecular weight of nitrogen, that is 14, which comes out to be 2. so molecular formula हमारा हो जाएगा C6H8 and N2. so this is our answer. So that is 1. A is our answer. So next question is, how many moles of electron weight 1 kg? So number of atoms is equals to number of moles into Na. Na is Avogadro's number, and we know that mass of electron is equals to 9.108 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So to find mass of electron in 1 kg, that is 1 divided by 9.10, 9.108 into 10 power minus 31. okay, that is mass. so we need to find moles. Moles is asked, so number of moles is equals to number of atoms divided by Na. so that is equals to 1.9 moles is equals to 9.108 into 10 power minus 31 multiplied by Avogadro's number, which is comes out to be 1 डिवाइड बाय 10 पर 8 डिवाइड बाय 9.108 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6.023. So this is the answer. So next question is the normality of 0.3 phosphorus acid. So what is phosphorus acid? Phosphorus acid is a dibasic acid whose formula is P double bond O H OH OH. So it's a dibasic acid. OH group is there, तो ये डाइबेसिक एसिड हुआ. सो हम बेसिसिटी नॉर्मेलिटी का फॉर्मूला होता है नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू बेसिसिटी इंटू मोलैरिटी. हमें इससे नॉर्मेलिटी पूछी है. सो नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल्स टू बेसिस इंटू मोलैरिटी. सो बेसिसिटी हम निकालते हैं ये जितने भी ये डाइबेसिक एसिड है तो मतलब बेसिसिटी इसकी हुई 2. ये 2 एटम्स को मतलब ये रिप्लेस कर सकता है यहाँ से. सो H प्लस आयन यहाँ से रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. बेसिसिटी इसकी हो गई 2 इंटू मोलैरिटी इसकी हो गई गिवन है हमें मोलैरिटी 0.3. तो विच कम्स आउट टू बी नॉर्मेलिटी इज इक्वल टू 0.6. सो 0.6 नॉर्मेलिटी इसकी हो गई. तो आंसर ही हो गया डी. सो डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So our next question is a gaseous hydrocarbon gives upon combustion 0.72 gram of water and 3.08 gram of CO2. So we ask that the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon. So to find that we have the equation CXHY gives 3.08 gram of CO2 plus 0.72 gram of water. So we have given that 3.08 gram of CO2 and 0.72 gram of water. So to find empirical formula, we know that 18 gram of water contain 2 H ions, 2 hydrogen atoms, ions, sorry, not ions. 18 gram of water contain 2 hydrogen atoms. So 0.72 gram of water contain is equals to 2 divided by 18 into unitary method. This is unitary method which comes out to be 0.07 moles. 2 hydrogen atoms. This is okay. So 0.07 gram of water contains 2 divided by 18.72. मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे हम जितना भी उसका है हमें गिवन है. So this comes out to be 0.072 moles. And then 44 gram of CO2, that is molecular weight of CO2, contain 1 mole of 1 carbon atom. Then 3.08 gram of CO2 contain is equal to again unitary method 1 divided by 44 into 3.08, which comes out to be 0.07. Sorry, this is 0.08 here, 0.08. So correct, we divide these numbers x by y ratio. X is carbon ratio, that is 0.07, and Y is hydrogen, so that is 0.08. Finally we get 7:8. So we got the formulas C7H8. So that is correct answer is D, C7H8. Okay, now 8th question. The volume of oxygen evolved at STP by decomposition of 0.68 gram 20 volume hydrogen peroxide solution is, so first we write the reaction. 2H2O2 gives 2H2O plus O2. So 2H2O2 2 इंटू 34 इज इक्वल टू 68, जिसका वेट हो गया, मॉलिकुलर वेट मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया हमने उससे 2 नंबर ऑफ एटम से, एंड देन वी हैव टू फाइंड वॉल्यूम. वी हैव टू फाइंड वॉल्यूम. सो हाउ डू वी डू दैट? एट STP वी नो दैट at STP, हाँ, 68 ग्राम of H2O2 gives 22400 ml. This is the value at STP, volume. So next we have asked at 0.68. At 0.68 what is the value? So at 0.68, by unitary only we follows 0.68 of H2O2 gives 22400 divided by 68 multiplied by 0.68, which comes out to be 224 ml. So correct answer is C, 224 ml.